I hope so.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can.
Okay.
Tilapia.
Yes, yes,
Hold
yes.
this.
Okay. Yes, this is life in North Carolina coming at you. How's everybody? I'm still here at the beach, but you know, they grilling out here and everything. And look at this. Look at this. Now, what you call this again? What kind?
Tilapia.
Oh, okay.
Tilapia.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So, wow, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome.
They
Wow.
have blood.
Yes. Yes. It's life in North Carolina. Life in North Carolina coming at you. But anyway, yes, I do. If you like and subscribe. Yeah, you like and subscribe and everything. And here's the cooker right here. See? Here's the cooker. And here's the significant other. This is his significant, his one best friend. Anyway, say hi, Coco.
Hi, say hi, Coco. Hi.
Hi, Coco.
Hi,
Okay.
Coco. Say hi.
Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. Ain't Coco handsome? Ain't Coco handsome? Look at that. Yes. Yes. But anyway, just wanted to show you a clip of this. This fish looks great. Looks good. Looks good to eat. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. All right. This life from North Carolina. We'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Love y'all.